Oh yeah, this is the entry I'm looking for. Let me just enter in real quick. USD CAD. Okay, 100 lots. Going for a buy. Okay, we're in. All right, that's what I was looking for. Let's just play some little rivals real quick. So yeah, today, y'all, just another little trading day. Didn't take a trade this whole week. Only we're in on a little swing trade on the USD JPY for a short. School communities banking on that. But didn't take a trade this week because, as you guys should know, we had Big Daddy Powell speaking this week. As you guys know, gambling, if you decide to trade while he's speaking, you're freaking crazy. But I'm not doing that. But yeah, we had Powell speaking and a lot of high impact news yesterday, unemployment claims. And then today we had, we see retail sales for the Canadian dollar, but that was earlier at 8:30. So bias has finally, volume has kicked down. So now we're finally taking a trade. But yeah, right now, just a little trading day, the usual day in my life. Right now, just playing some Marvel Rivals. Just saved the shit out of my healer right there. I know y'all saw that. But yeah, we're just gonna play some Marvel Rivals while we let this trade play out. Right now, we in that trade, 100 lots. And I'm just trying Adam Warlock. I barely use him. I want to try him as a new healer, though. I tried him one game, and he was pretty fun, so I'm going to start using him a little bit. But yeah. So what I'm looking at, we entered in somewhere around here. So looking for first TP to get hit over here. Real tight stop loss. Right below this EMA. First TP around this EMA, and then so on. So just let this trade play out. Let the market do its thing. Right now, we're up 900. Look at that, guys. We're already pushing to TP almost. Just sit in this trade. Be patient. Right now, let's see. How many pips is this? Looking to catch at least like 10. So, see what happens over here. Oh, Bucky on my ass. You see, people think I'm bad, but I'm just in a trade right now. Not trying right now. Not even sweating. They out here sweating in quick play. But it's okay. I'm going to be making that cash while I'm playing the game. See, right now we're up 1.8. So just patience, let this trade play out, let the market do its thing. Showing you guys what I'm looking at. I'll go more in depth into the trade once we close it and after this match. But yeah, just stay tuned. You see, we're approaching that TP, up 2.6K right now. Let's see. It's been only already like 5 minutes. Already about to hit TP. Good little trade already. Little 1 to 2 almost secured already. But let's see if we could push further. I'm expecting some more volume to kick in. So just wait and see. See what happens after we push through first TP. So we push through first TP, I'll start setting a trailing stop. But just like that, first TP hit. So let's wait and see what. Oh shit, look at Spider-Man trying to kill me while I'm putting first TP. What a cheater. But yeah, first TP hit. See if we could break and close above this. I mean, if we close above this EMA right here, I'm holding on to this for a little longer. My next TP will be somewhere around here. So let's see. Right now, we already got 1 to 2 secured. Trade is looking good. I'm liking how the volume's looking, pushing our way. So right now, we're gonna aim for a little 1 to 3. Trade's looking good so far though. And we're playing some Marvel Rivals. Again, guys, I say this all the time. So many videos on why you should start trading, why I fucking love trading. It's just so repetitive. I'm not gonna keep on talking about it. If you guys are interested in that, just watch my other videos. But yeah, like, what the fuck else can you do this with? Play your video game and fucking make money. Only way you could do that is being a streamer. And being a streamer is definitely harder than being a trader, because that requires luck. Sheesh, I'm barely playing and we still clutching. Oh, no heals. Damn, why are they playing so far back? What is this tank doing? I look back and that's what my tank is doing. Not playing as tank. You got me over here playing tank. What's your point of playing tank? So we won that little match. But as you guys can see, we're getting a little rejection off of this level right here. But not a big deal. I'm liking how price is reacting at this level. We're getting another rejection. This is turning into support. The once resistance is now turning into support. So I'm just gonna hold out this trade for a little bit longer. See if we can get a push past this first TP that we had. Once we get a push past, let's see if we could hit these levels. If not, if we start like resisting around these levels, I'll close the trade. And then just like that, Nice little 20-minute scout while playing some Marvel Rivals. What else can you do this with? But yeah, that's just what I'm looking at today. But yeah, guys, swing trade, USD JPY. We're in on that. School community. Remember, if you want to get in on these trades, link in the description. But yeah, right now we're just letting this trade play out. I'll go over it more in depth once, like in that trade, like once we finish and close it out, because I don't want to mess up the screen recording over here. But yeah, I'll go more in depth after. But yeah, let's play another little match. Instant lock Spidey, hopefully, before they steal him from me again. Come on, come on. No! 3 people! 3. I'm leaving, guys. I'm leaving. Leaving. I don't care if I get banned. Looking at the trade. But yeah. See, just right now, you can see we formed a new high over here once we broke. So, overall, we're still bullish. Good signs. That's why I'm still in this trade. Waiting for it to play out. Oh my goodness, I have a 15-minute ban now. I have a 15-minute ban. This trade is probably going to be closed before that. I can't leave no more. Why is everybody instant locking Spidey and they're not even good with him? But yeah. This is, as you can see, we're forming higher highs, higher lows. So overall, we're bullish on USD CAD. We also had that green news with retail sales. So that's why my sentiment is bullish on the USD CAD. But yeah, we're just going to let this trade play out. Sit here. Probably going to play another game now because fucking I got banned. Stupid ass Marvel Rivals. I got restricted. But yeah, right now, as you can see, it's going our way. Exactly what I'm telling you. So all we need is for this high to break to push us up to these levels. So once we get that pushed up to those levels, we're closing out this trade. Nice little banger trade that everybody and their mama is eating on. So yeah, let's just wait, be patient, and let this trade do its thing. All right, let's play against bots since I can't even play. Let's go triple rank bot, going hardest difficulty. I can't even play online with Spider-Man since everybody and their mama want to pick Spider-Man. So let's just hop in a freaking practice match. So the ban is lifted. I can finally play quick match. And as you can see, we're coming back to retest over here. I'm about to average up on this one. Average up because we're already up in profits. But I'm about to average up real quick. Another little, just 30 lots. No, not the Euro France. Hold up, let me instant lock Spidey. Oh, okay. USD CAD. Go in with another little 30 lots or so. Let's go with 30. Just average down because we just got that retest and we're holding that support. So now I'm in the full risk that I want to risk. Right now I'm only risking like about $3,000 to make like $9,000 or so. So good risk reward right now. Just gonna let this play out while I cook up with Spidey. But yeah. Oh yeah. There's no way all these fools in here, no one kills Venom. There's no way. What are they even doing? I pull Venom into a room with 5 people and no one kills him. That's crazy. What all? Oh, my whole team is gone though. Come on, they could come back and do that. I killed both the healers and Venom. Or who was it? Killed someone else. So guys, just what we need. I just need this high right here that we previously tested. We're on our first TP that we had. We need that to get broken, and then we could see to look to reach these levels right here, this level first, and then see if we could push through here. If we come here, start rejecting, price starts reacting the way I don't want it to react, then I'll close it out right there. Nice little trade, but let's wait and see. Right now we're breaking out of that high I just told you about. Right now I'm up almost 7K, so let's just wait, be patient. About to close this trade out. About to get that 1 minute cross as well while cooking up with that Spider-Man. So you guys see it here. Doesn't get any rawer than this. Literally just took a trade while in a game. Was looking for more of a little scalp, turned into more of an intraday trade still. less than an hour. Good trade either way. This instant lock Spidey. No, I can never instant lock Spidey. Whatever. We have this trade to deal with. Whatever. At least I got this trade. So I'm about to close it out. Right now we're up basically 9K. Let's see. Who am I gonna pick? I'm gonna go Captain America this time. Oh, one Magneto. But yeah, right now, about to close this trade. We're getting a little rejection. I'm gonna close it right there. So closing this in total, about 10K profit. Nice little trading day, and playing that Marvel Rivals doesn't get any better than this. But so yeah, guys, just basically what I was looking at. You can see we just got a big old green dildo, but either way, we took our profit somewhere around here. Still basically, what is that? Little 1 to 3 secured. Good trade either way. Can't beat yourself up if this happens, that it moons past your TP. Oh well, that happens every time. You can't predict it to 100%. If you are, you're a freaking robot, but you can't do that. Either way, 1 to 3 daily target hit. What I normally aim for is a 1 to 2, and look, we got a 1 to 3, even better. So good trade nonetheless. As you can see, maybe I would have gotten greedy and I wouldn't have even closed the trade at all. But yeah, either way, good trade. So what we secured, we sold like around here. So that's like where we sold. So when I was looking at this trade, first of all, I told you guys retail sales, they came out pretty bullish today. So sentiment going into today was bullish. As you can see, look at how price reacted after that news. We've been forming higher highs, higher lows. Saw this new higher low form, so I was looking for my next entry. So we entered in around here when I got that trend line break, and when we were breaking structure to the upside over here, as you can see. So entered in for a nice little long. As you can see, that ended up playing out. We were about to get that 1 minute cross, and if we go to the 5 minute, we already crossed. So I was kicking into my sentiment, remember, bullish sentiment. That's all this biases, all these confluences lining up. Remember, the way I trade, I like to trade with all my confluences lining up. So as you can see, 15-minute cross also. So that's why I decided to enter along on this trade. And as you can see, it played out while I was playing Marvel Rivals. Oh my goodness, almost got booted from the game. Can't afford another 15-minute ban. But yeah, look at that. Maybe I would have held, got greedy, and look, I would have been already halfway in my TP. Whatever, it doesn't matter. We hit our TP, we hit our profit goal, which is a good little trade. And USD JPY, we are also in a nice little swing trade on that. Where right now, we're a little bit basically around break-even territory. A little bit down on USD JPY right there. I'm in this with about 50 lots. But yeah, right now, overall downtrend on USD JPY. Right now, we're forming higher lows. Lower highs, lower lows. So I'm expecting a downtrend. As you can see, we're in this little mini downtrend. I'm expecting us to get a rejection and come back down to these levels over here. So yeah, that's basically what I was looking for in today's trade and the USD JPY trade. But yeah, you guys learned something? Remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.